Hello and welcome to today's Training Tuesday. I'm Andy Gregory and I'll be walking you through the full installation of the Baxi Easy-Fit internal flue. The Baxi Easy-Fit horizontal flue is designed for a one-person installation. The first thing we're going to do is take a look what's inside the box. Inside your Baxi Easy-Fit horizontal flue kit, you'll find the fitting instructions, a comprehensive guide to installing the flue, low profile elbow for connecting to the boiler, your telescopic horizontal flue, a choice of external weather seals depending on the size of your core hole, an internal decorative seal, remembering that you'll still need to make good the internal brickwork surface, some sealing tape, and some strong self-tapping screws for use during the installation. Finally, from the fittings guide, you'll need your paper template. As you can see, I've now got the boiler mounting bracket on the wall using the paper template supplied in the boiler fittings pack. Our paper template shows two different core heights. From the Baxi Easy-Fit flue part number, you'll be able to determine which core height you require. Today, we're going to be looking at the lower core. Your core cutting kit will come with a choice of core diameters. In the Baxi Easy-Fit flue kit, you will get a choice of seals to match your core diameter. Once you've chosen the core, we are now ready to pilot drill through the center on the template. Flue hole successfully cored, we're now ready to remove the flue turret from the boiler. And then quarter turn anti-clockwise the flue turret, and this can now be removed. Flue turret removed, we're now ready to mount the boiler on the fixing bracket. Boiler flue turret removed, you're now ready to assemble your telescopic flue using the fitting instructions for accuracy. We've established our effective flue length, we're now ready to assemble the external weather seal to the terminal. Slide your choice of seal towards the terminal and we're going to secure this in position using the 4 self-tapping screws supplied. Assemble your effective flue length and you're ready to tape and secure it in position. The securing tape is supplied in your kit. Securing tape successfully applied, we're now ready to finally secure this in position using the self-tapping fixing screws. With our effective flue length established, we're now ready to assemble the decorative seal onto our flue. Decorative seal in place, now assemble the low profile elbow and secure in position with the positive fixed screws. We now have one fully assembled Baxi Easy-Fit internal flue. Flue fully assembled, we're now ready to push through from the inside through to the outside our complete flue. Push your full flue length through your cord hole, right the way through, and retract back 30mm and drop your low profile elbow into the boiler heat exchanger. At this point now, replace the 4 screws previously removed from the old turret. With the low profile elbow fully secured to the heat exchanger, it's now time to make good the internal surface of brickwork. This must be done. This is only a decorative seal. After making good, simply slide the decorative cover into position to cover your making good. So there we have it. From start to finish, the Baxi Easy-Fit internal flue, assembled, installed, all done from the inside of the property. There's been no need for external ladders or scaffolding. I hope you found today's video useful. For more information, contact your local area sales manager or visit baxi.co.uk/training.